Dynamite Ideas, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I cook fried plantains on the stove top. So hope you enjoyed this video. Let's get to it. Okay, so what I have here are 4 plantains that I bought at the store. What you want to buy is plantains that are really dark in color. Also, the darker they are and the softer they are, like pliable, the more sweeter it will be. Now, if you buy green plantains, then they're not as sweet as these plantains will be. So the darker the plantains are, the sweeter it will be. So what I have here is, I got a plate with some towels to take off the excess oils. I'm actually using a blend of canola oil or vegetable oil, but you can use any type of oil as you wish. So what I'm doing is I'm turning on the stove with a nonstick frying pan, and I'm pouring enough oil that will cover the bottom of the pan, about maybe a ½ inch of the bottom of the pan. Now while that's heating up, I'm gonna start taking my plantains and I'm gonna start chopping them up. So what you wanna do is you wanna take off the ends and run your knife of the plantain skin, but not all the way through, and then all you're doing is you're just peeling it right off. Take out this excess peel. So this type of plantain, which is a sweeter kind because of its ripeness, it'll caramelize quickly, so you want to keep an eye on it. So how I slice it is about a ½ inch. Make sure that each of them is the same size so that it will cook evenly. You can slice it thicker or thinner, however you like, but this is what I like so far. Flame is about ready, so let's see what we can do here. And we'll cook this about 3 minutes. I like to slide it in into the pan. Don't throw it in because it is hot oil. Take your time. Don't overcrowd your pan. Flip them over. And do another 3 minutes. How brown it got, so let's put another 3 minutes. fried plantains. I'm gonna continue on frying the rest of the plantains, but ooh, I don't want that fried again. Hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe to this channel and smash that like button. And as I say, make it a dynamite day, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.